Hi everyone, welcome back with another video. Today is a recipe one. I had made it for dinner, but if time permits, you can make it for breakfast too. And in here I have used my roti flattener, that's a roti maker for the puris, which is non-stick. I had bought this from Kerala last vacation and many of you wanted to know the review for it. So instead of just telling how easy it is to use, I wanted to make a video on it. So that's why the delay. Hope you like it. Keep watching. So today I'm making puri with Methi Paneer Curry. That's fresh methi leaves I had stored in the fridge. Beginning with soaking some almonds, a handful. You can go for cashews instead of almonds. I just used almonds because I didn't have cashews at that time. Both gives almost the same taste. Take the methi leaves. Roughly chop it. Add it in warm water along with some salt and keep aside for some time. Two medium-sized onions. Here I am using my food processor for chopping quickly. Three to four cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Chop it roughly. I am straining the water from the methi leaves and keeping aside till use. Some paneer cubes. Here I have taken around 2 cups. You can go for more or less. To this add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. You can go for normal red chili powder. I am adding it for a color. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just a glug of water. Some salt and mix well. I am not using a spoon or spatula, just that the paneer doesn't break. Now keep it aside. Meanwhile, let's knead the dough for the puri. This is whole wheat flour, dark one. You can use the normal one too. I had dark with me. Adding 3 cups of flour to a mixing bowl. Then goes 2 tablespoons of semolina or rava. This is not roasted one. Salt and mix. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil. You can go for ghee for extra taste. Now just a crumble. Then add water at room temperature and knead well till you get a soft dough. The water I added was a little extra, so I adjusted adding some flour. So you can do so if you have added extra water. Now it's well kneaded. So adding some oil to spread all over and keep aside for some time, around 15 to 20 minutes. Meantime, let's prepare the curry. Heating a kadai. Adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. When heated, adding the methi leaves and just saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Take it off from the kadai. Into the same ghee, add 3 to 4 cardamom pods, a small piece of cinnamon stick, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix for a few seconds. Then goes in the chopped ginger and garlic. Saute till the raw smell goes. Then add the chopped onions and saute well. Alongside, let's fry the paneer. So heating a pan, adding some oil, and fry the paneer on low-medium flame. Lightly fry on all sides without breaking. It's almost done, taking it off. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the oil that I use for frying into the onion and saute till well done. Then adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes into the food processor again, just for quick chopping. Add it into the onions and saute well. Adding a spoon of rock salt. You can add normal one. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Now this is kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Take a tablespoon and crush between your palms and add to the mixture. Mix everything and let the spices and herbs get well roasted. Add warm water, little at a time, and keep roasting for at least 5 minutes. Finally, add a cup of water and mix. Then add the sauteed methi leaves, mix well. Then make a paste from the almonds with little water. I'm not removing the skin, keeping it as such. Adding a cup more of water to the gravy. When it starts boiling, add the almond paste and mix well. Then goes in the fried paneer and mix. Let it boil on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes and off the flame. The curry is ready. Now let's fry the puris. The dough has been resting for some time. This is a non-stick roti flattener. Take a small to medium-sized dough ball. And you can now see it can be taken off very easily and it's in good round shape. Just for the beginners, when the oil is heated, add it into the hot oil. Keep pressing on one side as shown so that it dries almost into a round ball shape. Turn and fry the other side. And the puri is ready. I don't keep all the dough ready flattened. I do it after frying each one. Just that after frying one puri to let the oil get heated again for frying the next one. You can see the shape is still the same. Using wheat flour alone, I feel the oil is less absorbed. I had tried once adding maida or the all-purpose flour and the puris were really oily. So I guess puris are well made with wheat flour. This is my personal experience. Time to serve. Garnish the curry with some chopped coriander leaves. I had even done the rice roti in the roti flattener and a soya chunk roast along with it. I shall upload the video soon. Finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications, because I get messages that you don't get notifications for my new videos. It's because you haven't clicked the bell icon. So please do so. And that's for today's video. Do try it and I would love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to like and share. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.